Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Lovely Sis. So today we are at Teganangan Waterfall.
You say I'm the one you're so easy to love. You're easy to love. Yeah, you're so easy to love. And I like when you say I'm the one you're so